2020, a true test of our collective digital resilience. With businesses having to re-strategize to navigate the new normal, here are our predictions for the cybersecurity trends that will influence our digital futures in 2021. Prediction 1. Miss travel? Get prepared to share more personal data. While the data privacy debate has been circling for years, it's contact tracing that has made consumers sit up and take notice of who has access to their personal data. Rigorous government-led contact tracing initiatives and access to accurate data are key factors that have helped to flatten the curve in many East Asian countries. Aside from how soon will we return to some form of normality, the other question on everyone's mind seems to be, when will we be able to travel again? More countries are establishing travel bubbles and reciprocal green lanes. But to ensure travel is safe and efficient for everyone, more personal data will need to be shared between government agencies, airlines, airports, and hotels. The debate around how this data is stored, accessed, and used will continue way past 2021 and may make travellers think twice about the information they share when leisure travel resumes once again. Prediction 2. 5G is here. Are you ready? 5G networks are being introduced in the region, but the iPhone 12 may see the mass adoption of 5G-enabled devices for the first time, accelerating network rollouts in more and more countries. But it will still be a while before the promised speed and latency benefits of 5G are completely dialed in. Meanwhile, enterprise adoption of private 5G networks is accelerating in a big way, with ports, airports, and similar logistics hubs among the first movers. In JPAC, governments have largely been the drivers of 5G rollout. However, with them now having their hands full tackling COVID-19 and economic recovery, the private sector is now poised to take over the race to 5G. But it won't be easy. The sheer number of nodes that need to be installed makes the deployment of 5G much more challenging, dramatically increasing the potential for cyber attacks. Private sector infrastructure owners cannot afford to deploy the same design and implementation approaches that we used for 4G, lest they fall victim to the same types of attacks as they did in 3G and 4G. Prediction 3. Working from home gets smarter and safer. In a matter of weeks, digital transformation moved from tired buzzword to an adapt-to-survive necessity, with companies scrambling to implement remote working solutions amidst lockdowns and social distancing. Unfortunately, many of these solutions have relied on legacy technologies, such as unstable VPN connections, physical fobs, and digital keys, which were never designed for all employees to log in simultaneously. But if 2020 has taught enterprises anything, it's that remote working on a company-wide scale is possible. 2021 offers businesses an opportunity to find new ways to grow and incorporate more reliable and streamlined tech solutions. As cloud tools become increasingly accessible and convenient to roll out, we could see businesses provide employees with simpler, connected devices that only enable them to access the programs and resources they need online, and, in turn, help protect the company's crown jewels. Redesigning the way employees connect does away with the cybersecurity complications associated with BYOD, or, as now has become the norm, bring your own computer policies. Security will then need to be delivered via the edge, which will see solutions such as SASE become the new cybersecurity norm, thanks to its flexibility, simplicity, and visibility. Prediction 4. The year of getting the house back in order. The rapid move to the cloud beyond light touch functions such as email will see more work being virtualized in 2021, forcing many companies to review the security of their existing cloud environments. While network security controls remain important for cloud security, an additional layer of identity and access management governance is now needed as organizations continue to scale their cloud presence. This year, Palo Alto Network's Unit 42 researchers observed that a single IAM misconfiguration could allow attackers to compromise an entire cloud environment and bypass just about every security control. These identity misconfigurations were found across numerous cloud accounts, representing a significant security risk to organizations with the potential to impact entire environments. As the pandemic steers IT teams towards more nuts and bolts issues, 2021 will likely see more businesses shifting their focus inward to getting the house in order and getting the fundamentals right. In 2019, experts estimated 310 million people in Southeast Asia would be shopping online by 2025. This milestone is set to be achieved by the end of 2020 due to COVID-19. The pace at which enterprises and entire industries are moving applications and data to the cloud means that a significant proportion of this work will have to be automated. Security now needs to work at the speed of the cloud, and any organization slow to recognize this in 2021 will only see vulnerabilities multiply exponentially.